What's up my friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Now friends, this video I'm going to show you the StormX price predictions. What's the price since goes in the StormX? A lot of people message me that what's the next target of StormX. So I decided to make a video for all my family, for all my subscriber of StormX holders friends. Now this video going to be very special for you, so please keep watch this video with the end friends. Before starting this video, if you're new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about StormX coin friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction of the StormX, the change occur in the StormX is a negative 0.7% false occur in the StormX. That is the last 1 hour price prediction. Now friends, if we look the last 1 hour high price of the StormX, so the high price of Storm is about 0.067 USD dollar is the high price of StormX in the last 1 hour price. Now for the detection of the next target of the StormX coin, we have to look the last 1 day price prediction. That's you can see now on the screen. That is the last 1 hour 1 day price prediction you are watching now on the screen friends. If we talk about the change occur in the last 1 day, so the last 1 day change is absolutely a very good, a very jump change occur in the StormX. Positive 11.25% change occur in the StormX in the last 1 day, and the high price of the StormX, as you can see here, the dollar 0.0731 USD dollar is the high price of StormX in the previous last 1 day period friends. Now friends, if we look the next target of the StormX coin, so as you can see here now, if you look the average level of the StormX coin, so the average level they falls down. The falls down of the StormX coin starts now from the previous last 1 day friends. Sorry, last 12 hours friends. Now what's going next in the StormX coin? It's really easy for us. As you can see here, that is the price prediction chart. So how can we detect? As you can see here, if you look, so the StormX coin located this time, as you can see here now. Friends, it's easy for us. That's we detect the next target of the StormX coin. As you can see here, they move in this pattern. As you can see, a move in this pattern, that's mean that the fast occur in the StormX coin. As you can see here, as you can see now on the graph, after a little time they take a jump, and after a little time they falls down, take a jump, falls down, take a jump, falls down. But if you look the average level change occur in the StormX coin, so the average level change in the StormX is a negative feeds, because they move downward. As you can see, they move the downtrend of the StormX starts now from this period frame. So what's your opinion about StormX coin, or what's your opinion about StormX future? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. And friends, if you are a holder of StormX coin, so absolutely my decision for you. This time the change in the StormX coin is a positive, so if you want to sell it, so please sell it. That's not a bad decision. And if you want to hold it, so it's a more better than the sell. Please hold it. If you want to hold it, so it's a better for all of you. Please hold it, and the future days they will give you a good profit. Thank you so much for watching this video.